Alright, what is good, everybody? Yo guys, today we're gonna be doing a Who Knows Me Better challenge. My sister, come in a little bit, and my brother, no, get back. Nobody told you to move, big fella. And my brother Angel. Whoever loses, there has to be a challenge. Every time I do a video like this, there has to be a challenge, okay? We've all agreed is whoever knows me, whoever gets the most wrong. Oh, y'all stop playing, bro. How old are you? Okay, whoever gets the least amount of them right has to do a challenge. The winner will make a smoothie for the loser. This is theoretical. I don't know who's losing. Whoever loses, and I have to drink a cup of the smoothie, alright? I got some questions right here. We're just gonna get started real quick, alright? First question. What is my favorite restaurant? Or to get food from? Whoever touches my hand first, alright? You gotta touch my hand first. Restaurant. Where do I love, like, #1 place to get food?
Oh, Chris Madrid.
Chris Madrid.
Oh my god,
Yo guys, if y'all don't know what Chris Madrid is, I'm gonna try to put a picture on the screen, but they got fat, juicy burgers. Have you ever had it? No, he hasn't had it. I swear, yo, if y'all live in San Antonio, Chris Madrid's, the tostada burger, you gotta get it. Next question, so it's 1-0. What should we go to?
Odd number, 11.
Alright, 11. What class? I've only failed one class in my whole, like, from K through 12. What class did I fail? And you can guess. I mean, you just hit my hand and guess, hopefully it's right. But just think, like, Julian, what would you
wait, it's like a subject, like...
Yeah, subjects. So, like, I'm not gonna say any subjects, but it's a subject.
Psychology.
No.
What did y'all want? You first picked
5, 4, 3.
Forensic science.
No, bro, I actually failed chemistry because I had, like, Devin, all my friends there. So y'all both get around. Nobody gets a point. Next question. What is my favorite drink?
A naked?
Naked mango. Yo, you gotta hit the hand. Alright? Alright, yo, 1-1. Alright. What is my favorite snack? Like, what is something I always get?
Nuts.
Yo.
Nuts. Tell me to nuts.
Yo, I don't know who was first.
Me, bro. Right here.
Okay. 2-1. Okay. What is, like, my favorite turn on, like, feature about girls? Like, if she has this, like, she's like, like, just.
Big lips.
Oh, you too slow. What were you gonna say?
I was gonna say braces.
Yeah, that's
3-1.
maybe, but yo, lips is my thing. Like, girls with big lips, you're already like, you might as well be my girlfriend. Who's like my #1 friend?
Kyle.
Alright, there we go, real quick. Alright, what's the score?
3-2.
3-2. Alright. Yo guys, but if y'all haven't yet, make sure you subscribe with notifications on and drop a like on the video. We haven't even got to the smoothie part yet. That's probably gonna be the best part of the video. How many subs do I have right now?
14,000.
No,
Yo! 14,000.
Let's go, baby!
Let's go! Alright, what's the score? What's the score?
3-3.
3-3, alright. What's my favorite Little Sky song? Alright, go. What was it?
I don't know.
Isn't it something like blow or something?
You don't know it?
Go.
Bro, it's Lust.
Gosh.
I'm a jiggy. I take her out to lunch. It's a lot of lust, not a lot of love.
Alright,
Hey, y'all second.
Next question.
Alright, I'm sorry. What grade was Julian when he had shit dropping down his leg after he sneezed?
I know that.
Yo, how the fuck do they know that though?
Because he said
we
it.
did a video.
When?
Embarrassing, bro.
Yo, he's on our mukbang.
Yo, that's a real person. I don't even know what grade it was.
I remember.
Alright, what grade was it?
5th grade.
No, 6th.
No,
5th.
definitely
You were in
not
elementary, bro.
Hey, bro. Elbowing me, dog. Hey, bro.
No.
Okay. Alright, so what's the score?
4-3.
4-3. Alright. When did I get my, like, hair done? It was before a...
June. It was in June.
No.
Yes, it was.
April.
Why was it in April?
Because prom.
No, it was before prom.
Yeah.
Why was it in
Y'all
April?
have to know this.
Sky's concert.
It was before that.
No, I got it.
It was
right.
before a break. I was telling all my followers that I was going bald. Even people from school. Whoa, what
Spring break.
Month.
Okay, we'll just let that one go. That one's not going to be an actual one, alright?
Oh, you're lying.
January.
No, it wasn't January. What video is my most viewed video?
Third video. I got it right, bro.
Oh, okay. Gemini was first.
5-3.
Yo, what is my dream car? I got two.
Tesla.
A Tesla. Tesla.
Let's go.
It's either a Tesla or McLaren. Those are my dream cars. So 4-4?
4-5.
4-5.
Don't hold me wrong.
Okay, ready? What's my ex's name?
I got it right. And I said it here.
Come on, bro. I'm trying to help you out here.
But I forgot his name.
What was my first YouTube video?
No, it was rating my subscribers. No. It was either the Eat It or Wear It challenge or
No, mukbang.
Which type of girls do you
I don't know.
But I mean, mukbang is like the official starting one.
Do I get a point?
We're not gonna count that one. All right. Listen, how many followers do I have on Instagram right now?
34K.
36K.
Yo, how did you know?
I don't know again.
Bro, 36K. What's the score?
5-5.
5? I thought you had 6.
I don't remember.
Alright, fine.
Bro, we.
Oh no, 6. Yeah, it's a 5. Yes.
The year or the month did I start like social media going
Oh,
live?
I know. January 1st.
You got an exact date? No. It was actually December 30th, but yo, January 1st.
Yeah, it was.
Because
Because he got his iPhone.
That's
January
when I got my. Alright, so when was your. How many do you have? 7?
7.
7 to 5? You better turn up, my guy. When's my birthday?
May 30th.
Bro, oh my god, man.
Bro, come on, y'all gotta be faster
8 to
than
5.
8 to 5, bro. You ready to drink this? You gonna be drinking that shake soon. I think y'all know this, bro. What size pants do I wear?
Oh, I know. 32, 30.
32.
Why didn't you say it, bro? I'm trying to help you.
I remember because we went prom shopping.
Okay, 32. Alright. Who was my first concert?
Those guys. Oh no, The Weeknd.
It was The Weeknd. Alright. So what's the score?
9 to 6.
9 to 6.
You're ugly.
You're fat. Just kidding.
Just kidding. That's what you're doing.
Where are 3 places I've traveled to?
San Diego,
Say 'em, bro.
Arizona, and Las Vegas.
Bro, your brain doesn't work. What is wrong with your brain? It literally, you just stand there and look.
No, I knew that, but she was already answering.
So you can say them before her.
10 to 6.
10? Bro, come on. What is my favorite ice cream flavor?
Mint chocolate chip.
Finally, bro. Finally, your brain works.
Go.
What's the score?
7 to 10.
What is my shoe size?
11 and a half. 11 and a half.
12.
8 to 10.
Yay. What is something that I don't share with anyone?
Your feelings.
Damn, that was deep. Yo. Alright, yo, that's true. Alright, so what's the score?
11 to 8. I won.
I'm out.
Oh, shoot.
Your feelings.
Dude, that'll be funny for the video.
No, I'll leave it in the video. What are 3 things that annoy me about people?
People that are dumb, people that don't have an open mind, and
And
people
bumps,
that
and bumps.
and people that don't know how to like communicate or whatever. Bumps too. Hey, I got it right. I said 3, fool.
Okay, one more question to make sure you win. What is my worst habit?
Being lazy.
What?
I'm just kidding.
What? Bro, you better get this right.
Wait, procrastinating.
This girl really thinks I do all of those. I don't know.
Oh, being unresponsible.
Come on, dog.
I don't know.
Don't tell him.
I
Bro, all of those are wrong.
How?
I lose everything.
Being unresponsible.
That
Oh
doesn't
my
count.
God,
That doesn't
Julian.
count.
Bro, you're.
What's one food I can never get sick of eating?
Christmas treats.
No, like a single food. Like a dessert.
Ice cream.
Mint chocolate chip.
No, cookies. Cookies.
Cookies, alright, bro. You lost. I'm trying to help you, bro, but you freaking lost. Alright, guys. Angel lost for sure. Right now, Angel's gonna go to the room. Gemini right here is gonna make her smoothie for Angel. He's gonna have to drink a cup of it. Let's go to the kitchen. Alright, you can put up to 5 things in there, alright? Get something from here. Here, we're gonna put it in this cup right here. Look, you can only fill it up to right here, alright? Here's the first thing. Bro, you're using my milk, but alright. Okay.
Up to where?
Bro, just get 5 things. Hurry up.
This is his favorite.
Ew, that's so disgusting. Alright, that's 2 things. 3 more. Okay, bro. What's the way? Show the camera real quick. What is that? That. Alright, 2 more things. Bro, put at least 1 sweet thing in there. 1 sweet thing. Alright, here's the 4th thing. Hopefully this adds some good flavor. I really don't know what it's gonna taste like. Some chocolate milk. Alright, last thing. What else? What are we gonna get? Oh, here we go. This is gonna be nice. Some nice little, hopefully he likes it. It'll be a nice little good night drink. Mix it up, my baby. Let's go. Here's Angel's little smoothie. Doesn't smell bad. Come here, my boy. You ready? It's not too bad, honestly. Come on. Are you ready for your drink? Gina's over here mixing it up for you. Are you ready? All right, are you ready for your shake? You have to do it 1 big gulp. You can't do little sips, just 1 big gulp, all right? You ready? Set, go, chug it. Chug.
I couldn't. Hold on.
Bro, you gotta chug it. Hurry, 1 big chug, let's go. 1 big chug, close your mouth.
Oh my god. Ew, bro.
What did you taste?
Oh shit.
What did you taste? What did you taste?
Oh my god.
You couldn't, okay, what is 1 thing you tasted in there?
Vanilla.
Vanilla? Yo, it had vanilla. Yo, Angel, I have vanilla, chamoy, ranch, milk, and what was it?
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. All your favorite stuff, right? Yo! But yo, guys, Gemini, I don't know how. I think it's because we're in her room, but she wins every single one of these challenges. I hate, bro, I cannot make a video with her no more. I literally cannot. But yo, guys, if you like the video, make sure you drop a like and a comment. Really like the video. It helps me so much if y'all want me to grow. My goal is to hit 20K subscribers by the end of August. I don't know if I can do it. Y'all the only ones that can help me. All right, share the video, like the video, comment your favorite part, and some more videos y'all want to see with me, Angel, or Gemini, all right? And I'm out.